my friends. You see this? The warning light. I have a warning light. Well, actually, to be honest, it's been there for a couple of days. It's a engine malfunction, service now. Well, I do have 6 months warranty, so I called the company that I bought the van from, and they told me to come around their shop here in Randers. I arrived here last night and stayed here overnight, not too far away from the shop actually. It's in a gravel parking lot. It's an okay place. It was nice and quiet last night, so it's fine. I'm going to the shop now to talk to them, and also they say they can fix it today. It's Monday today, and they say they can fix it. So I just need to spend the day here in Randers to have it fixed, and then I will get it back, they say, and I can continue on south. But let's go to the shop and see what they say. The warning light is gone. It's almost 2 o'clock now, and the mechanic has just given me back the breeze, and he say that he changed some sensors. There was nothing wrong with the engine as such, it was just the sensors. At the same time he fixed that for me, I asked him to fix the problem with the door. My driver's door was hanging a bit, and now it's working perfectly. That's great. And the last thing they did for me, the lift is gone. The wheelchair lift, I asked them to take it out. So they've removed it, and it has given me 40 centimeter, I think, extra space here in the back of the breeze. Now I had to tie the solar panel to the bed. This is not ideal because the bed is actually leaning on the solar panel. You see up here, this here. And of course that's not the way it's gonna be. So I will have to build something. I will build some kind of storage compartment there behind the bed, where I can keep the solar panel and different stuff. Also, I'm gonna build some kind of storage here behind the passenger seat. Right now everything is just strapped onto the seat with a strap, and that's not the way it's gonna be. My fire extinguisher need to find a new place. Right now it's just on the bed. But well, time to start drive south. And I really hope that the problem with the malfunction, the warning light, is gone for good. It's been there for a while, but it looks like, and according to the mechanic, then it's gone now. So let's hope so. Well, let's go south. Morning, my friends. It's Tuesday morning, and well, last night I did something I normally never do when I'm in Denmark. I actually paid to stay a place for the night. I thought I needed a little bit of, let's call it luxury. So I found a farm where they have parking for RVs, and stayed here tonight. Stayed here last night, that is. And the reason was that I really needed a shower. You know, I hadn't showered since Friday, so I thought I need a shower. And of course I could have found a pool and gone shower there, but it's like, nah, I'm just gonna spoil myself a little bit and go stay at a campground. But real quick, let me show you this place. It's quite nice actually. You see here is the breeze parked, and that's my view. There are some other campers here, an old Danish camper, a Sprinter van over there. But the good part is the dump station. That was not the good part because I don't use that. Then there's a gigantic camper, gigantic RV here. Huge one. It's a Dutch camper. There's a playground over there for the people who have kids. Over in this building there's a small kitchen and a bathroom and shower. Very nice and clean. I think someone's in there, but that's the bathroom. And as I say, nice and clean. Here's the kitchen. And in traditional Danish style, you see that small cup? That's for paying for the stuff that you buy. That's ice cream and bread and sausages and stuff. Over here is a fridge with beer and eggs. They even have an extra bedroom. If you don't have room for visitors or something, then you can rent the room. If you get in a fight with the wife. I shouldn't say that. Then here, the place is called Katrinegård. And yeah, €10 a night, free Wi-Fi. So it's nice. As you know, I never, hardly ever pay for, I think it's the first time in Denmark that I paid for a place to stay besides the campground where I have the nest park. And here's a cute little kitty. And then, because it is a cattle farm, if you wish to, you can go talk to the cattle. And look at this one. Oi, can I catch you? But it's time for me to head on out from here and go south. By the way, this one, a small, well, I thought it was a smart car. It's similar. It's a Mercedes. The smart car is a Mercedes as well. But this one is honest about it. Got the Mercedes badge on. It was parked in the back of the big rig there. So, crazy. Anyway, time for me to head on out from here. I am arriving the spot where my friends are in a Dutch town called Mildredge. I've been here before, last year and actually the year before as well. So I know this place, and I can see that Dan is over there and Leanne is there as well. Oi. Terrible terrible sound from Dan just signals me that he's on the phone, so just let him finish.
How are you, man?
Oh,
Long time no see.
oh yeah. It's been a
Looking
year.
good, man.
Oh, thanks. You too.
The fan looks.
Good afternoon, my friends. Well, I'm building something for the breeze. I'm here at the place where Dan always built stuff for his rig, and his shipping container. He actually have rented 3 shipping containers standing here next to him, next to each other. Dan and Pascal and Leanne as well. 3 of my Vanderling friends. I'm building a cabinet for the back of the breeze where the lift was before, behind the bed. I'm building this cabinet because I think it would be nice to have some extra storage. So that's what I'm doing. I am actually finished with making it the basic form as it's gonna be. So now I'm designing and cutting, I would say. So now I'm gluing it and assembling it. So thing is, making something like this, it just, how to say, well, it's a prototype, you know, and it's not like you can just measure everything and then cut, because there's so many crazy angles and stuff, so kind of have to see how it goes. Cut something, put it, have a look, maybe have to cut again, adjust. So but then when I finish gluing and assembling it, then I need to paint it. I bought paint already, so the project is moving ahead. I am just mounting trim now to make it look nice. And well, this is the nice side. The other side looked kind of weird because that's gonna fit inside the corner. So the other side is open like this, but when it gets into the breeze, that will be where the wall is. Everybody is kind of active here. Right in front of the container is Frankenstein, Dane's rig, and he's working on something with the bed. See, we've got some tools down here. And over here, I go outside and it is kind of windy, so I'm sorry if the sound disappeared. But over here, Pascal working. I'm not sure what he's doing, but he's working on something. He got a swivel seat in his rig now. I have made a video about his rig earlier. But yeah, he have installed a swivel seat. So he's working on something in here. I don't know what. Leanne is working on a new rig for her. Well, a new old rig. This thing. Gigantic Mercedes. But that is a project. Big time. You see. Need to make flooring and need to make walls, need to make, yeah, basically everything. That's just huge project. And as far as I was told, it needs a new engine as well. So, but it's gonna be cool when it's finished. Well, that kind of speaks about the state of the rig. You see Leanne's feet underneath.
nog maar iets groter.
I can see what it is Pascal is making now. It's a speaker box. There we are. I got a mosquito net door. I guess it's called a screen door. I tried to put a mosquito net with magnet, but the magnet wouldn't keep closed because it's sloping inwards. But now I got this. So now I love the sound. Oh yeah, that's great. And this here, that's so that I can open and close the door from the inside. And then the storage unit, almost finished. There's a little bit of trim that I need to put, but I put it in the car already. So it's here. You see, trim is still need to put trim on the bottom two holes. But that's it. Besides that, it's done. I guess it's time to end this video. It's been dragging on for way too long. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. You guys take care. And remember, life is good. Bye bye.